this. Look at that. Now let's say that you don't want anything, you don't want to buy anything. You just click on the clear cart. It's gonna remove everything, and then it's gonna show you an option called cart is empty. Cart is empty. You can go back to the home, something like this. There we go. You see, now let's start building the cart page. Alright guys, in order to make the cart page, let's go back to our VS Code, okay? And on the folder structure, let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see it better. Here, we're going to create a new file. We're going to name it cart.html, okay? Cart.html. Something like this, okay? Now guys, follow along with me. We're going to create a folder. We're going to name it source. So the main objective of creating this folder is that we're going to store all of our style sheet and JavaScript file inside here, okay? So that we can manage our folder structure in a neat and clean way, okay? So guys, follow along with me, okay? Just drag the main.js here and the style CSS here like this, okay? So since guys, we changed the folder structure here, we have to go back to the index.html, okay? And do you see these links here? This one and this one here. Perfect. Let's go back to our folder structure here. Do you see this index.html? For this page, we have this main.js file. And for the cart.html, we're going to have another file. We're going to name it cart.js, something like this, okay? Now guys, let's go back to our cart.html. Here, we're going to write some boilerplate code, okay? Something like this, exclamatory sign, tab, done. Now guys, we don't have to write anything from scratch. We just copy paste lines from the index.html, okay? So come back to the index.html, scroll up. Do you see these 3 lines here? This is the bootstrap icons. This is the link for the style CSS, and this is the title tag, okay? Just copy the 3 lines, something like this, okay? Copy the thing. Let's go back to our cart.html and then replace the thing with this, okay? There we go, done. Now guys, here we're gonna write the script source control space. You're gonna go to your source and then you're gonna select the cart.js, okay? Save the thing, guys. Okay guys, this is the finished project. Can you see this nav bar here? This is the cart page. If you go back to the home page, you can see the same nav bar here, which means that we don't have to build anything from scratch. We can just copy paste the thing inside our cart page. But guys, look at this. Can you see this on here? If I click on here, it goes to the cart page. If I click on here, it goes back to the home page. This is the navigation, and in order to build that, we're going to use the anchor tags. So let's implement those things in our project. So guys, you're going to go to your index.html first, okay? Now, in order to do the navigation part, you're going to hit here a tab, okay? Control space. It should lead us back to the home page, okay? Cut this h2 tag from here, and then we're going to paste it here like this, all right? Now, let's make another anchor tag, which will lead us to the cart page, okay? Something like this. There we go. Now, inside here, what you're going to do is this div here. Just copy the entire thing. I mean, cut the entire thing, then paste it here, okay? Save the thing. Guys, now do this. You just close the nav bar here like this, copy the entire thing, go back to the cart.html. Now, inside the body tag, paste the entire thing, okay? Then you can also fold it like this, save the thing, okay? Now, guys, let's look at the result, okay? If everything goes well, it should look something like this. Can you see this on here? It looks odd. It was previously white in color, but why is that? That's because the anchor tag actually have some default styles which we need to remove. So come back to our style CSS at the very top here, okay? Below the I tag, we're gonna write here a curly bracket, okay? TD tab, text decoration none, and then we're gonna set the color to white, okay? Something like this. There we go, guys. Now let's look at the result. So it should look something like this, okay? Now guys, look at this. We can navigate between the cart page like this. We can also go back to the home page. There we go, guys. So far so good, but guys, there's a little bit of problem. Can you see this number here? It's 15, 1-5. But if you go to the cart page like this, it's 0. Why is this actually happening? Let me tell you. The main reason is that, do you see this cart.js page is totally blank. It doesn't have any data. That's why we are seeing a 0 here. So guys, in order to fix that thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at this, guys. Do you remember our local storage here? Let me show you. We have all the data saved here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this data inside our cart.js, okay? So guys, we don't have to write anything from scratch. Let's just go back to the main.js, okay? Now, do you see this line here? Let basket equal to this one. So it is already doing the job of pulling data from the local storage. So what is this? This is trying to pull data from the local storage. If we don't have anything, only then it's gonna return us an empty array. Okay, so guys, let's just copy the thing, and now let's go back to the cart page, paste the thing. Done.